Yeah, on this lesson, I'll be showing you how to create a portfolio inside Gmax card. Remember, Gmax card is like your mini business in a pack. You understand? It's like a mini website whereby you can sell your products, you can list your products, you can book appointments, you can analyze your sales, you can add your payments, you can change your team, you can brand your profile. So having a Gmax card is beyond just sharing a card. It's like a mini business center on its own. So I will be showing you how you can create your portfolio. How do I mean by portfolio? Maybe you want to add all your your projects, your previous projects, what you do. You want to showcase what you have done in the past. Okay, for example, if you are the if you hire people from Fiverr, all these freelancer, you said they will put their portfolio there. Or if you're looking for job, you want to create your portfolio. This is to showcase to your potential clients what you are able to do and what you are capable of doing. So you can do the same under the Gmax card. So you just want to quickly come under our favorite My V card, where you can access all your adding, deleting, adjusting. So you just want to come down to under appointments. Okay, so you want to click on portfolio. All right, so when you get to this stage, you will come here. The moment you click on portfolio, it will bring you to this window, and you just want to click on create. So under here alone, you can create up to 20, so it's straightforward. You just want to create, you just want to click on create, and you want to add the title. What is it all about that you want to showcase to your customer? Maybe your previous job, maybe what you are currently working on, what you're capable of doing. You want to select the URL. You remember, this is a portfolio, so you have to direct them to somewhere. So anything you want, anywhere you want to direct them to, you might have copied the URL and just put it here. Okay, so just place it here, and you can choose a file that is image to demonstrate what you're doing. So if you have any image concerning what you do, as regard what you do, you want to upload it here. So it's the same process as if you're creating your product. So just make sure you put all the necessary information here, and you want to click on create. Okay, this is not creating because I did not add anything there. Obviously, I don't do portfolio at the moment. I'm into e-commerce where I sell online and I teach people how to sell online. So, but if you are into products and services, anything you do that you know that you have a track record, you want to put the title here, put the description here, and just put the URL here, upload the image, and just create. And you can create up to 20. How amazing is that? And you can also preview it here. Okay, the moment you finish it, you want to always save. You remember how we have been doing it. The moment, okay, let's just create one for just creating sake. Let me just put something. Let me just show you, and let's just click on this URL. I don't have a file. It's not compulsory. These are the lines that you need to fill in where you see the red. If you don't fill it, it won't go. So let's just create. Portfolio is created. All right. So you can create up to 20. So if you have 20 different things that you want to showcase to your customer, this will enable you to do that. How sweet is that? And if you think, oh, I'm no more doing this one is out of whatever, you can just come here and delete it. It's as simple as that. Okay, so because I don't have any portfolio, I'm just going to delete. Okay, if you want to preview it, okay, you can you see. So this is what is going to show you. Anything you don't want here, you can always remove. You can always edit at the back end. Okay, all this I can remove. I just show you all this because I am teaching you and I want you to get the value out of this lesson. All right, so see you in the next lesson.